and that is the Pennsylvania Railroad 280-9943, back on the O-gauge layout. We are pleased to have her back here at the Ravenna Central. It was having some issue where it had light, smoke, sound, every feature, but for some reason it didn't want to move. I had it repaired by my good friends at Hilltop Hobby in Akron, and now it is back and running better than ever. So yeah, that's the news. 9943 is back on the layout, and will be in some more upcoming videos here. Thanks for watching.